Hey, hey, welcome back to Top Tech Gossip with Sana. I'm your host, Sana, and you know the drill. We're here to decode the tech buzzwords and bring you the real story behind the headlines. Today, we're talking about something nobody ever tells you when they hype up AI. It's crazy expensive to run. Like, every time you talk to ChatGPT, somewhere a data center is sweating and burning serious cash. And of course, joining me is Sam, technical lead for AI/ML at SciFuture, and my go to human calculator when it comes to breaking this stuff down. Hey Sam, tell me, I'm not exaggerating. Is AI really that costly to run?
Oh, you're not exaggerating at all. You're actually being polite. Inference, the part where the model actually talks back to you, is where the bills really pile up, especially with large models like GPT-4.
Wait, I thought the expensive part was training. Like those $1 million GPU clusters to teach the model stuff.
Training is expensive, but it's a one-time event. Once the model is trained, it needs to run thousands or millions of times a day. And that's where inference comes in. Every query, every answer, that's compute power, and compute power equals money.
So every time I ask ChatGPT a dumb question, like, how tall is Mount Everest in pizzas? It's costing someone a few cents.
Exactly. And if millions of people are asking millions of weird questions, that adds up. The thing is, large models don't just sip electricity, they chug it. They run on GPUs like NVIDIA's A100 or H100, which are beasts, and beasts aren't cheap.
Okay, now I'm kind of feeling guilty. But here's the thing, big companies like OpenAI or Anthropic can afford this, right? What about everyone else? How do startups or mid sized players even compete?
That's where it gets interesting. Startups can't outspend OpenAI, but they can outsmart the system. There are a bunch of clever techniques out there to reduce the cost of inference without sacrificing too much performance.
Hit me. What are the hacks?
Alright, here's the lineup: quantization, LoRa, VLLM, and FlexGen. These might sound like Star Trek stuff, but they're game changers.
I've definitely heard those thrown around. But explain like I'm five?
Okay, quantization is like turning your high-res 4K TV into a 1080p version. You reduce the precision of the model's internal calculations from 32-bit to 8-bit or even 4-bit. It's way faster, needs less memory, and 99% of the time, you can't even tell the difference.
So it's like downgrade a little, save a lot.
Exactly. Then there's LoRa, low-rank adaptation. It lets you fine-tune a giant model for your specific use case without retraining the whole thing. Think of it like adding a little flavor instead of cooking a whole new meal.
Love the food analogy. Keep going.
VLLM is an open source library that helps serve models faster. It optimizes how memory is managed across GPUs. It's like having better traffic control for how requests move through the system. And FlexGen is cool too. It can offload parts of the model to cheaper resources like SSDs or CPUs instead of hogging GPU memory. A real lifesaver when GPU availability is tight.
So basically, there's a whole toolkit out there that's making AI more affordable and accessible.
Yep. And this is how startups are staying in the game. They're running smaller open source models like Mistral, Llama, or Falcon and optimizing the hell out of them with these techniques.
Are we doing this at SciFuture too?
Of course, at SeFuture, especially with our GPU as a service platform, we use tools like VLLM to serve custom enterprise models efficiently. We've got clients who don't need GPT-4 level firepower. They need reliable, fast, affordable models that can run on Indian data or in hybrid cloud setups. These optimizations help us deliver that.
Love that. So it's not always about having the biggest model in the room, it's about having the smartest setup.
Exactly. AI used to be about go big or go home. Now, it's go efficient or go broke.
That should be on a t shirt. All right, folks, That's a wrap on today's episode. Hope this gave you a peek behind the curtain of what makes AI tick and cost. If you liked this one, share it with your techie friends, or that one person who keeps asking ChatGPT to write wedding vows. This was Top Tech Gossip with Sana. Catch you next time, and remember, tech is cool, but knowing how it really works, that's cooler.